laban ng Taekwondo. So, Region 3 Smart MVP SF Inter-School Taekwondo Championship. Ginanap ito noong Saturday sa Lamo Sports Complex, Concepcion, Turlac. Grade school category. So, ang ating athlete na mga nanalo ay sina Jermil Zuriel V. Biat, gold in Kurogi and silver in Pumsi. Where's Jermil? Isang malakas na balakpak para kay Jermil, the pride of CSES. Jermil, did I pronounce it correct, anak? Kurogi and Pumsi. Okay, next is Julia Althea Villanueva, a gold medalist also in Kurogi and silver in speed kicking. Oh, mabilis sumiba, ganon. O, dito ka, Julia. And we also have Mackenzie Carrion, another gold medalist in Kurogi. Pride of CSES. Bilisan mo, darling. Mackenzie, asa ng medal mo? Sige, sabi niya. O, si Sender ng abel. Okay, bigyan natin ng isang malakas na congratulations itong tatlong athletes natin. 1, 2, 3, congratulations! Again, malakas! Okay, bigyan natin sila ng ang galing lang. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ang galing! Okay,